In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a tracking link for Revcontent. For example, we have three ads here that we want to promote. Ad 1, Ad 2, and Ad 3. We must create a tracking link for each of these ads. Every ad has its own different images. So let's go to Revcontent and so that we can create our tracking links. Here we have variable replacements. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use these variables. Now go to Bmob and click on traffic sources. Then click New and type in name Revcontent. Here on parameters in custom, we're going to add the variables that we want to gather information about. As you've seen in Revcontent, if you want to know which city your visitors are from, you must type in custom city in and if you want to know from which state, you must type state in uppercase. And the same goes for country and booth ID, widget ID. It's not necessary to add all of them, but choose which ones you want to work on. I'm going to choose in this case the city and the country and the widget ID. In the variables, the image doesn't exist, but I added it in a custom for because I'm working on three different images. Now go to Bmob and create your campaign. Name it Ad 1, Image 1. And destination, choose built-in flow and turn off the landings. And choosing the offers, for example, France iPhone X. Then click Save. Copy your campaign URL and pass it on the block note. The same process we'll do for Ad 2 and Ad 3. As you can see here, we have created all three tracking links for all three ads. In our tracking link for Ad 1, in the image place, you can edit it and name the image what you want. For example, as I said, we are going to use three images. So I'm going to name it image 1. And in the second ad, I'm going to name it image 2. And in the third one, image 3. By this way, when I go to my tracking tools, when I see image 1, I know immediately that it comes from ad 1. After you edit the image, you copy the link and you pass it in Revcontent and destination URL. And the same thing goes for the other tracking links. Now that this has been made, I'm going to show you how the tracking tools work. The tracking tool gathers information through your tracking link for you edit the city. For example, we're gonna choose Barcelona, and in the country we're gonna choose Spain, and in widget ID we're gonna choose four different widgets. For example, 5412 for the widget ID, and we're gonna choose another widget ID which is 8454 and 9999. So that now we have opened four links. You go to your BMOP dashboard and click on campaigns. As you see here, we have two campaigns: global Revcontent add one image one and global Revcontent add two image two. Let's click on Revcontent add two image two. Then click on report. Now on the right, go to custom and click on custom widget ID. As you see here, we have our four widget IDs that we have inserted. Now then again, go to custom and choose custom to country. And as you see, when we click on 5412, we have the country Spain, which means our conversions comes from Spain. Now let's click on our third column and choose city to know which city comes from these conversions. As you can see, the country is Spain and the city is Barcelona. Through this way, we will know through our tracking tools which widget ID works for us the most. If, for example, our widget ID 5412 brings us more conversions, but the widget ID 9999 and the 8454 bring us no conversions, we're going to add them in our blacklist. And we must concentrate more on our widget ID 5412 and put more budget in it. And you can create a whitelist and add it to that whitelist.